have just received these riding jeans from armadillo.in. It's a Mumbai based website. They are producing riding jeans for motorcycle rides, and I tried to find the cheapest possible riding jeans. I was on a tight budget, and you guys would be shocked to see that I got this for 1986 rupees, which is a little less, under 2000 rupees. And all the other jackets were available for at least 4,500 to 5,000 rupees. This comes with a level 1 riding protection. I'll just unbox and show you the jeans now. The box says hello rider. Haha. Let's just open it. Oh, nice. Comes with a few gifts as well. Um Comes with a very beautiful bandana. Wow, this is good. Thank you. Comes with some documents. This is the CE level 1 protector. This is for the knee. It says Safe Tech K-type. I don't know much details. This is level 1. This is what the website said. Yeah, so I ride a Himalayan and I don't ride it really fast. I know it's not a good excuse for buying level 1 accessories, but as I told you, I was on a tight budget and I wanted something cheap. And this is the jeans. Comes with a message, says thank you for your purchase, dear rider, blah 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 blah. Today we are a new motorcycle riding gear at the market. We have been asked what level, level 1 or level 2, but then we would be asking the wrong question because riding gear is not limited to the level of armor. Ooh. Other important aspects are quality of raw material, quality of labor skills and technology use, and much more. Nice. So overall the color, it's some dark gray. I'll open it. Yeah. Haha, nice. They're good at packaging, man. Armadillo. Ooh, nice. So this is the jeans. And this is size 36, and this is the knee where you put on your protector. I'll just try to do that. Yeah, there goes the jeans, here goes the protector. It's a good snug fit. Let me just try it and then I'll give you another review. So I just tried the jeans. It's a very good fit. It's a regular fit. It's not very tight, and the knee protector is at the right position. It comes with all its certifications, some Armadillo branding. It comes with your YKK zippers. It comes with your 3M Scotch-Lite reflective material. It's used on the bottom section to serve as a good reflector while driving. It comes with its Safe Tech information note about your level 1 protector and what all do the company manufacture. More Armadillo branding. Yep, that's about it. So coming about the quality, what some of the features which I really liked is it comes with Kevlar, and as we all know, it's great for abrasion resistance. It's cotton overall, made up of jeans material. It's a thick material jeans. I hope I don't crash, but if I do, this is gonna serve me well. Yeah, strong, fits pretty well. Straight snug finish. My height is 5 feet 7 inches and this is 36 size. I'm definitely a bit on the higher side, due to which I felt that this portion is going to be a bit below my knee, which is true, but on researching I found out that this pocket is way too big to incorporate any protector, so you can adjust it. So the adjusting is coming just somewhere here for me, 1.5 inches inside, and with when I'm wearing the jeans it comes to be a great fit. I'll be soon doing a ride and then I'll give you a review of how it performed. As for now, I'm really satisfied with the build quality. The buttons are all good. The zippers, as they're saying, is YKK, which is there's not, it's not written on it, but yeah, feels good, feels strong, sturdy. Should last a few riding seasons. That's about it. Many of my friends wanted to know some cheap alternatives for riding gear, so I'll keep on posting on the group. I'll keep on posting videos on the page. Keep watching, like, comment, subscribe, whatever. That's what every other YouTuber is saying. Enjoy.